Hey everyone, today I will be presenting our Pigma prototype called AgriLoan Kalakit. So this app is designed to help farmers access loans more easily and manage their financial needs in a simple way and organized way. So, so first, ito yung welcome screen ng AgriLoan Kalakit. Makikita naman natin dito ang background image ng isang tumutubong halaman. Symbol yun ng growth and opportunity para sa mga farmers. So, nasa gitna, pangalan ng app, which is yung AgriLoan, with the tagline, empowering farmers to peer-to-peer lending. So dito, makikita sa dalawang buttons, um, yung Get Start. Ito naman, para ito sa mga new users. Then, yung second is yung login, para naman ito sa mga returning users. So, clear and straightforward ang design para madali maintindihan ng kahit sino mang gumagamit. So, first, login screen. Kapag pinili ang user ang login, pumunta sila sa login screen na ito, setup. So, ayan. Setup, merong icon na handshake. Simple lang ng partnership between farmers and lenders. Tapos, meron tayong dalawang input fields, email or mobile password. Simple, clean, at hindi crowded ang layout. So, may CTA button login at kung wala ka pang account, pwede silang mag-sign up. So, next, choose your role. After mag-login or mag-sign up, dadalhin dadalhin ang user sa choose your role screen. Dito, pipili sila kung paano nila gustong gamitin ang AgriLoan Kalakit. May dalawang options, request loans to grow your farm and improve livelihood. Kung farmer ka na nangangailangan to ng loan, so ito yung option mo. So next yung lender, support farmers and earn returns your investment. So kung investor ka or someone who wants to support farmers and earn at the same time, so dito ka papasok. So ginawa namin 'tong step na 'to para maging organized at personalize ang buong experience ng users based on their role. So next, um, so 'pag open mo ng screen, makikita agad dito yung main features ng AgriLoan tulad ng apply for loan, loan status, payment history, and notification. So ginawa namin itong simple para madaling ma-navigate ng users, lalo na ng mga farmers. So, we have loan application form. So next, when the user tapos apply for loan, mapupunta siya sa loan application form. So dito makikita yung personal information, farm details, amount needed, purpose of loan. So pinadala namin yung form para hindi nakaka-intimidate at mabilis sagutan. So next, upload requirements. After filling out the form, dito naman tayo mag-a-upload ng mga requirement page. So users can upload valid ID, farm photos, proof of income. Simple lang ang layout. So may guide icons at instructions para hindi malito ang users. So next, yung loan review screen. Once na-complete ang lahat ng details, pupunta ang user sa review page. So dito niya makikita ang summary ng kanyang applications bago ito i-submit. So next is loans status tracking. After submissions, users can now check their loan status. So we have three possible status: pending, approved, and rejected. So very helpful ito para hindi kailangan pumunta sa office or mag-follow up personally. So next is transaction history. So dito makita ng users ang past payments, amount paid, remaining balance, and remaining due dates. So transparent at organized para mas lalo silang guided sa pagbabayad. So next is notifications. Mayroon ding notification tab para ma-alert silang about sa deadlines, approval, and important dates. So nilagay namin ito para makapag-update um, ang mga farmers natin to acknowledge them how the proper use of their knowledge. So next is yung profile. So finally, the profile page users can edit their informations, view documents, log out also, and manage account settings. So next is punta naman tayo sa community feed ng Agri-Loan Kalakip. So ayan. So this feature serve as the social space ng app. So dito nag-i-interact ang mga farmers, lenders, at ng buong agri-loan community. So yung purpose po nito, um, bigyan ng lugar ang mga farmers para mag-share ng update sa mga kanilang crops, progress, challenges, successes. At the same time, lenders can also see real stories and real people they're helping. So next is repayment tracker. So pinakamahalagang feature ng Agri-Loan Kalakip is yung repayment tracker. So ito yung section ng app na tumutulong sa mga farmers at lenders na ma-monitor ng maayos ang loan payments, due dates, at remaining balance. So next, let's move on to the farmers who needs funding section Agri-Loan Kalakip. So, yung purpose nito is para mai-connect ang farmers ng nangangailangan ng loan sa mga lenders na willing mag-invest. Instead of farmers struggling to find financing dito sa app, so transparent and accessible yung list nila. So what lenders see in these sections, so makikita ng lenders so i-click muna natin farmer's name, of course, or profile. So their farm type or crop. Ayan. So location, of course, the amount they need, then the description of the project or purpose of the loan. So optional lang yung photos of their farms or crops. So rating or past repayment history. So kung available naman yun, ayan. So this allows lenders to choose who they want to support based on the real information. So that's all. So that's end of our walkthrough of the AgriLoan prototype. So our main goal is to create user-friendly, organized, and accessible tool para matulungan ang mga farmers sa pagkuha ng loans nang hindi na kailangan ng mahaba at complicated process. So thank you.